guys, that was the first ride-along video. Thanks to my buddy Jake for taking a ride with me and being the first volunteer. Everybody seems to be scared to ride in this thing now. Don't understand why, but it was a good time. I hope everybody enjoys it. I still haven't got this whole YouTube thing down to a science yet. I still don't know what style I want to go for. But yeah, I'm hoping we can get way more people in here for ride-alongs because it's a good time. Well, at least I have a good time, you know, giving people rides in the car. So, again, thanks for watching. And, oh yeah, yesterday, me and my buddy, check out his channel. It's Millhouse Tuned. We went and picked up a 6-liter iron block for his Corvette because he broke his LS1 block in his Corvette. He cracked cylinder number 7, like the aluminum part, around the sleeve. Don't really know how it happened. He was spraying with 100-shot nitrous, which really isn't that much, but pretty crazy. Kind of got me worried about this. And again, I don't know what I'm doing YouTube-wise. Like, we were talking about blogging it, but I'm really not really looking forward to being one of those guys walking around with the camera like, hey, I'm here to buy a motor. So I don't know. I don't feel comfortable doing that. I wish we would have time-lapsed the teardown because we tore it down like an hour and a half. A complete engine, wiring harness, the whole 9 yards, but we ripped it apart pretty fast. So I want to do some more of that, maybe blog style, but I really don't want to be like carrying a camera around the store and stuff. I just think that'd be weird. But yeah, again, I want to get more people in the car for ride-alongs. Thank you again to everybody who's been liking, commenting, subscribing, watching the videos. It's a huge help to me. It's a huge help to get the story out, well, my story out there. And I'm having a lot of fun with it. I mean, I was going to do car stuff regardless, so might as well make videos of it and take people along for the ride, share the story, and all that good stuff. Plus, I've found that I've enjoyed making the videos more than I thought I would originally. So thanks to my buddy Jake for taking a ride with me, and thanks again to everybody who's been supporting my channel so far. I really appreciate it.